Okay, next we're going to talk about questions 6 through 7 on your cumulative review. The objective is to determine the correct area to shade given an inequality. The questions on your review look a little different than what you're used to seeing, so let's kind of go over them. First, they ask you to identify the slope. To do that, you need to identify 2 points on the line. So for instance, on A, these would be 2 good points to use. We can see that this is going down 2 over 1. So our slope is negative 2 over 1 or negative 2. The y-intercept right here is crossing at positive 1, shaded below the line with a dashed line, so the symbol would be less than, and we put that all together and our line would look like this. So we're going to do the exact same thing on question B. We picked 2 points, so here's a point and here's a point. This is going up 2 over 3, and it's a positive slope, so slope of 2 over 3. Our y-intercept is negative 2. It's a solid line shaded above, so greater than or equal to. And we put it all together, and we get this as our inequality for the line. Question 7 asks you to match the inequality with its graph. So then it gives you a little hint to solve the inequality for y first. So if we solve these for y, we're going to have to add x on this one, so it's going to look like this. Subtract x and divide by negative 1 on this one. And add x on this one. Okay, so then we can see that this inequality on A, the symbol is greater than, so that it has to go with the second graph because it's the only one that's shaded above. And on the second one, y is less than x minus 3. So we look at the y-intercept of negative 3, and the only graph with that y-intercept is the first one. And then the last inequality, it's shaded below, so it's less than, has a y-intercept of 3, and has a slope of 1, so it's going to go with this last graph. And that's pretty much it. Remember, when you're talking about inequalities, you have 4 symbols. You have less than, or equal to, greater than, and greater than or equal to. When it's less than, you're going to use a dashed line, and you're going to shade below. Less than or equal to, solid line, shade below. Greater than, dashed line, shade above. And greater than or equal to, solid line, shade above. And everything else is the same as graphing any other line in slope intercept form.